What's up, guys? It's been a while, huh? Had a good week. Went on vacation, took a rifle class, and then at the end of the week I took a pistol class. But in the middle of that week, I had managed to fill those few days up with some time at Disneyland. And I've been on the prowl for one of these for a long time, okay? And I didn't really realize that they were now obtainable again at the Disney park and at some of the other Disney stores that are just outside, one of the Disney stores that are just outside the park and throughout the park. So I'll just get to the unboxing. This is the Kylo Ren Force Effects Lightsaber, Star Wars The Black Series. Now, we've seen hundreds of these unboxings and videos and stuff detailing the lightsaber throughout this year, especially when The Force Awakens came out. So I figured, well, I bought this, one of those little tables where you can assemble your own lightsabers. So I assembled one that I thought would be kind of based off of what Darth Bane had. And I decided that, well, wouldn't it be something if they had Force Effects lightsabers here at the park? So I go to check out, and then I did a big mistake. I turned my head to the left, and I seen it. Ooh, yeah, I saw that one, a Darth Vader, and I think they had some of the Anakin Skywalkers there. So I said, I want that one. So there it is. And the rest is history. So come down here. It says Hasbro Disney. There's a picture of Kylo Ren on the box. It's got a killer box. I mean, it's a big box. But I'm going to go ahead and open this thing up and show you guys. So 1 second here. Now the box is turned around, as you can see. And I've already opened it. I've already played with it. So I just reboxed it and decided to kind of give you an idea of what it looks like. So you kind of have an idea of what it looks like. And there it is. That's the inside of it. And there's tape here. So I cut the tape. These, come out, of course. And I've already removed the labels on the blade and on the handle. These come out here. And here is the Force Effects lightsaber. There's plastic sleeves over the cross guard, over the blade, and the grip. Now, the Force Effects lightsaber uses a metal handle. Okay, and I have the Disney version. Well, this is also a Disney version of sorts, but I'll put them side by side so you can have kind of a comparison of them. So I'll take these plastic pieces off and show you how this goes. Also, too, there is a presentation stand and instructional manual. Okay, be right back. Here it is on the display stand. I like this way that it's sitting now. I don't like the other way that it sits. I'm not going to put it in the second position on the display stand because I don't like it, and it's my lightsaber. I can put it on the display stand however way I want, and I paid for it. So let me get some batteries and I'll show you that battery pack. It's pretty cool. Alrighty, so here's the battery pack. This thing here comes up like this, okay? Just undo it here. I like to use my hand just to undo this. I don't really torque it down too tight. They got this slot here, I guess, but I just do it this way. And it opens up. Okay, there's the cap. Battery unit, I guess, whatever you want to call it, comes out. And then there's the batteries slots. And what I like about this is it takes 3 AA batteries. And why would I like that it takes 3 AA batteries? Well, I don't want to order batteries online. I like the idea of going down to the store, buying my 3 batteries, reloading my saber, and rocking my Kylo Ren action here. So there's 3 of the female I guess you can call them outlets or whatever here. If you look inside here, there's, let's see if I can cant this thing a little bit here. There's 3 male plugs, so this thing just locks in one position. Okay, just like that. There's an arrow to show you where it goes, like that. And I go ahead, screw this back in, The switch on this is located right here. So you see it fires 2-stage. I don't know if you can see the brightness out here tonight right now, but it looks pretty good. I personally like the brightness. It has a nice flickering effect to it. So it makes noise, you know, when you move it around. Then when you hit the blade, it clashes. Otherwise, sometimes the other sabers you can swing them and get a clash out of the swing. So there you go. So this hilt here, it's all metal. Okay. Some of the other ones out there, based off the Kylo Ren design, are plastic, and this is all metal in the Black Series. And then, of course, there's still this little label right here. There's another label here on the blade I took off. Another label back here I took off somewhere. Forgot where it was. Right here. And this is going to be for me to actually handle and use. I might buy another one at a later date just to keep in the box as I guess you could say a keepsake. But I bought this one in the park. I was on a trip to Disneyland with my mom, and I always want to have this out so I could take it out and mess with it and swing it around and just be reminded of what a cool trip it was, and how it was a perfect trip to Disneyland. A little rusty, it's been a while, but here it is. Of course, I love the firing sequence. Ignite it. Of course, we do this one here. I'm loving it. Yeah, I've been playing with it quite a bit, so I'm not sure if I want to go out and duel with it, make it into a dueler. I mean, there's not many people where I'm at that have these sorts of lightsabers and regularly practice dueling with them, so there's not much of an adversary to be found. But I just like to come out here and do some forms once in a while. Admire the beauty of them. So